Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A20. Remember, you should remove your SIM card and memory card because this procedure will erase everything stored on the device. Okay, so what are you gonna do? You can leave it on this screen or on the emergency screen, it doesn't matter. You're gonna press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. Keep holding them until the device restarts. Now release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Okay? If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, leave your like, because it really helps us out a lot. And remember, this procedure will also work for other Samsung models. In some cases, you need to connect a USB cable to your computer. So try it both with and without the cable to see which way works, okay? If you need to unlock a Google account, our number is also in the description. On this screen, guys, we're going to scroll down to the fifth option where it says IP Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down with the minus button and confirm again with the power button. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with our unlocking. Let's wait a few seconds. When you get to this screen, just confirm with the power button. Here, your device is already being unlocked, formatted, and restored to its original factory settings. It will restart, and you'll see that the password or PIN you set and forgot is no longer there. Now you just need to set up your device as usual, and you'll have access to it again. Alright? If this video helped you, and if you're able to, you can make a contribution to our channel. Pix is in the video description. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is your help, your support, and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.